Hi Kausalya. We live in a world of computers now. Without computers, our life will be meaningless. One of the popular applications in AI is machine learning.
Yes, Suchi, put it in the right way. Starting from smartboards to the heavy manufacturing units, we make use of computers. Even the smartboards in our classrooms are computerized.
In all fields like education, information and technology, civil engineering, whatever be the fields, but everything is computerized now.
Our aim today is to talk about AI and machine learning. Do you have any idea about it?
Being a student of CSC, I should thorough about this. I could explain about AI.
Yes, it is interesting and please tell us more.
AI systems are used to perform challenging and complicated tasks, and it is a part of machine learning.
Yeah, that is what I want. What is machine learning and do you know anything about machine learning?
Machine learning starts with data. It can be photos or a text and banking transactions. The more the data, the better the program.
Yeah, when an average person thinks about AI, it may be overwhelming and complicated. But what is exciting is that when we use machine learning and AI, it makes our life easier and increases the quality of life that we live. And yeah, machine learning has several fields like deep learning, neural networks, and natural language processing.
When it comes from natural language processing, it is quite new to this field of computers. By this process, the machines learn to understand the natural language as spoken and written by the humans. We can talk a lot more about machine learning. It is very innovative.
Believe it or not, machine learning is a revolutionary field in which we human beings engage with machine to make our life easier and increase the quality of life that we live. And computer innovations have no end at all, and we are yet to explore more about it.
Thank you.